and add video effects. By clicking this icon, you can record voiceover. By clicking this icon, you fit and zoom timeline. The Filmora X Timeline is an intuitive and user-friendly workspace designed to streamline video editing and empower creators to produce professional quality projects. Its clean layout allows users to effortlessly drag and drop media, add audio, and you can trim the video clips and add video effects. By clicking this icon, you can zoom in or zoom out. You can access marker by clicking this icon and leverage powerful tools like markers for organization. By clicking this icon, you can record voiceover. By clicking this icon, you fit and zoom timeline. Here you can see the audio graph. Here you can delete the selected videos or music, etc. Here you can undo the changes and redo the changes. Here you can see multiple tools which we discuss in upcoming videos. Here you can add multiple video tracks or audio tracks, or you can delete the empty tracks or adjust the height of the tracks. Here you can render preview for smooth playback. These tools make Filmora both beginner-friendly and capable of delivering professional quality results, empowering creators to bring their ideas to life with ease and precision.